So this is a quick tutorial. If you're having trouble locating your child's report card, just sit tight and we can show you how to find it real quick. So the first thing you want to do is just head to Aeries Parent Connect and log in with your info. Once you log in, you'll see the dashboard here. And then you want to just head over to this tab labeled Grades. Bring the cursor down to Report Card History and click on it. And once you click on it, you'll see the first quarter report card right here. And you got to move over to this link here. Okay. I know it says English. I'm assuming it's for the primary language that you put down. Click on it. And there's a report card. And if you need to print it, you just click a little print icon there. And there you go. So hopefully this was helpful. Thank you for your time. And you have a great one.